What happens to your body if you squat every day? It's a good idea to keep learning new things to improve your performance. If you're a health-conscious person who puts a lot of effort into your wellness regimen, squats are a great addition to any fitness routine, as any enthusiast for working out will attest to. Not just athletes should perform squat exercises. These can be incorporated into your usual workout regimen. They work on your quadriceps and glutes to strengthen your lower body. They also force your core muscles to work. Squats may aid in weight loss because they burn calories. Squats can improve your body and health if you include them in your regular regimen. This simple yet efficient workout improves strength, flexibility, and endurance while targeting a variety of muscle groups. See this video and realize why you should start doing them immediately if you have been putting them off. 1. Build muscle. Exercises that involve squatting promote muscular building not only in the legs, but throughout the body. This vigorous activity provides an anabolic environment and encourages the production of hormones necessary for muscular growth. Squats strengthen the upper and lower bodies. 2. Shapes your butt and abs. Make your butt bigger by doing squats. It is an excellent multipurpose exercise that works a variety of muscles. Without straining your back, squats will increase the size and firmness of your butt. Additionally, it will tone and tighten your legs and abs. Squats will assist you control your blood sugar and develop muscle. 3. Burns fat. You will burn fat more quickly if you squat. For every pound of muscle gained, your body expends an additional 50 to 670 calories. Therefore, you burn more fat while you increase muscle doing squats. One of the best exercises to burn more calories is the squat. 4. Prevent injuries. The majority of sports injuries are caused by weakening of the stabilizer muscles and ligaments, which are strengthened by squats. Squats will increase flexibility and balance while reducing the risk of injury. 5. Improves balance and mobility. Strong legs are essential for maintaining mobility and balance as you age. Squats can help you develop greater leg strength. Additionally, strengthening your core and stabilizing muscles, squats will enhance the communication between your brain and muscles. This will support balance maintenance and fall prevention. 6. Tones leg muscles. Squats tone your lower body primarily and work every muscle in your legs. They will assist in strengthening your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves in addition to other muscles to help with balance. Additionally, it's the ideal workout for toning your legs. 7. Improve digestion. Squatting improves the flow of body fluids and aids in the removal of waste from the body. It improves the bowel movement and help in keeping it regular. You can perform body weights, squats without any equipment. Your body and adequate space to allow your hips to drop into a sitting position are all that are required. Make sure you are proficient in the fundamental squat movement before going on to squat variations. These are harder workouts that call for increased flexibility, strength, and core engagement. One of the best workouts for strengthening your muscles is the squat. See your doctor before beginning an exercise regimen if you haven't already. They can advise you on the safety of performing squats. Working with a qualified strength trainer can also be something you want to consider since they can ensure that you are utilizing proper form. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.